Hi, I'm Lewis Fielding, primary school teacher at Eidsvold State School. The experience of Didge in a day was fantastic. As an adult and to a kid, we were all able to understand exactly what we needed to do, and we were able to enjoy the experience instead of being, trying to figure out the little ins and outs. Alec made it extremely easy for us to be able to start our Didge, get those little fine pointers and be able to interact with one another in an easy manner. I was able to have conversations with students and with adults about things that wouldn't necessarily happen inside of a classroom, and enabled me to be able to form a deeper connection with my students. After that, a lot of kids have now learned to be able to play, do circular breathing, and are now looking at playing more consistently and making Didges more often. This is a really awesome thing because it allows kids to have a pastime and something to really put their energy and effort into outside of school. To finish off, they were also able to then see a business model or a way that they can then take this further, and for them to be able to look at it as a profession or as something that they can master over the next coming years.